are to be restricted after research revealed that they've become the dirtiest way to generate power.
Waste
Just under
burning.
half of all rubbish is currently burned to make electricity.
Battery, smoking machines.
New incinerators will now only be approved if they address local concerns about the environment and cut the amount of waste that's going to landfill. As our environment correspondent Matt McGrath explains.
This is where our waste goes now. Just get put in the ground, it gets burnt.
Energy from waste incinerators have become the major means of dealing with rubbish over the past decade. As
So
local
the
authorities
going to the landfill site gets burnt.
Landfill. But this boom in burning bin bags has come at a cost, especially for the people living closest to these giant furnaces.
Ooh, dear me.
Royal Street stands in the shadow of the Viridor
Time's down there.
incinerator in Runcorn, the biggest burner
30th
in
of
the
December
UK.
today.
Look how thick it is.
Monday morning, I was
It's
telling you
going
before.
straight at our houses and we're breathing all that in. I've lived here since '98 and then in 2015 they decided to put the incinerator in my front garden. Well, it felt like my front garden. And ever since it's just been a nightmare. We've been inundated with flies, rats, smell, noise. It's just been horrendous. Who's going to buy my house down here? I can't afford to move my business and sell the house, so I'm sort of stuck. It's ugly and looks like a prison. It stinks, it's noisy. I'm just stuck in this little corner with a big monster staring at me.
As well as the impact on communities, a recent BBC investigation showed that burning rubbish has the same effect on the climate as burning coal, thanks to all the oil-based plastic that now goes up in flames. Ministers are concerned over the scale of waste burning, as well as stalled recycling rates. So the government is now setting out tougher standards for new incinerators. Not only will developers have to show that a new plant will reduce the amount of rubbish going to landfill, they'll also have to present plans to capture the heat generated from the flames and the carbon emitted from the flue. Campaigners against incinerators have cautiously welcomed the plan, saying the new regulations and greater efforts to reuse existing materials could end the need for new incinerators.
Everything that could be recycled should be recycled.
So, of course it should.
Everything that could be composted should be composted. And this removes material from existing...
We don't need to burn more stuff and make the planet any warmer. I want the Gulf Stream was shut down. There goes our warm climate.
The government insists the new restrictions aren't a ban, but ministers also recognise that the UK's need for incineration could now be reaching...
That's what keeps Northern Europe warm.
Matt McGrath, BBC
Always remember that when you drive a car every day, polluting the planet.
This morning, the national...
Please subscribe to Michelle Stanley Jones.
Billionaires this year, that's more than one for every day.
Where are you? Give us a shout. Yeah, apparently the winners shared £848 million between them. That's a huge amount of money, isn't it?
Yeah, and this year also...
Cool, you know, if I had that kind of money, I think I would...
ever win. That's the
£177
million Euro Millions jackpot.
I think I would
Oh, yeah.
get rid of all those horrible burning, smoking machines.
Wouldn't even get us a coffee.
Shut them all down.
Yeah, maybe we should do that little win.
Or batteries.
Yes, we can.
I help that lady out. Get her out of there. That's what I would do.
Matt is with us this morning and has the weather. Can you give us maybe a little bit of a win on the weather, Matt?
A little win for you is there's no
Please subscribe to Sign Gems.
So there you
It's
go.
Matt Sniff.
I can provide at least a little bit of optimism, but unfortunately,
We've got the main storm coming across the UK.
This week.
Maybe.
Very good morning to you. We've got some strong winds set to develop over the next couple of days, New Year's Eve, New Year's Day in particular, and certainly for Scotland, some heavy rain.
Well, they're not called them storms, unfortunately.
Which will then turn to snow for some as well. So it's not a clean...
This is my friend Sparky and Jim every Friday, free Friday pin ITF Friday thing, Surrey Hill Bay every Friday. And this is my friend Shane Libus every Friday at 10 to 12 here on Surrey Hill Bay every Friday. And this is my friend John on Last Show every Sunday at 9 to 12 on live on the Woking Show on Last Show. So these are two low pressure systems bringing heavy rain and snow this week. That's what's going on. And then that'll be it. And then we had a big freeze or cold snap for the year. But these forecasts that they change don't make the last one. This is just my forecast. The Met Office had a theory to their forecasting. Everyone's forecast is different on YouTube. Have a look at everyone's YouTube channel. And mine's the best one, I think, in the universe. They scratch on Sign Jones. Everyone, these scratchy shout on Sign Jones. My happy.